Hello, are you free now?
Yes, please get in.
Can you take me to the train station?
Sure, I know the way.
Is the hospital far from here?
Not really, around minutes.
I need to go to the city mall.
Okay, let's go.
Do you know Green Park?
Yes, I go there often.
How long will it take?
About minutes if there's no traffic.
I have an appointment. Can we make it?
Don't worry. I'll drive fast and safe.
Can we avoid the main road?
Yes, I know a faster way.
Do you know any shortcut to the Central Mall?
Yes, there is one through Elm Street.
I'm in a hurry.
I understand. I'll try my best.
I'm new here. Is it okay to ask questions?
Of course. Ask anything.
Are you going to use GPS?
Only if needed. I know the area well.
Is there traffic now?
A little, but I'll manage.
Will we reach before p.m.?
Yes, that should be no problem.
Is this the fastest route?
Right now, yes.
Can I eat my sandwich here?
Sure, no problem.
Can we stop at a small shop?
Yes, just tell me where.
Do you work every day?
I work 6 days a week.
Can I open the window?
Of course. Or I can turn on the AC.
Is it okay if I make a call?
Yes, go ahead.
It's too hot today.
I can turn on the AC.
Can I play some music?
Sure. Do you like pop music?
Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, there's a port beside you.
Please drive safely.
Always. Your safety is my priority.
Should I wear the seatbelt?
Yes, please for your safety.
Can you go a bit slower?
Of course, no problem.
Is it okay to eat in the taxi?
Yes, just be careful.
Can I sit in the front seat?
Sure, if you prefer.
Can you turn off the music?
Yes, no problem.
Is this your car?
Yes, I own it.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like meeting people.
Are you from this city?
Yes, born and raised here.
Do you work at night too?
Sometimes, when needed.
How long have you been driving?
More than years.
Do you drive every day?
I take 1 day off per week.
Are you married?
Yes, I have a family.
Do you have kids?
Yes, 2 boys, they aren't.
Do you enjoy driving?
I do. It's peaceful sometimes.
Can you help me with my bag?
Of course. Let me take it.
I'm feeling cold. Can you close the window?
Yes, I'll close it.
How much is the ride?
It's $1.
Do you accept card?
Sorry, cash only.
I only have a dollar bill.
I can give you change.
Do I need to pay now?
You can pay at the end.
Keep the change.
Thank you very much.
Is tip included in the fare?
No, it's not.
How much should I tip?
It's up to you.
Do you have change for $4?
Yes, I do.
Can I pay in coins?
Sure, that's okay.
Is it cheaper if I go with a friend?
Same fare for both.
Can you give me a receipt?
Yes, I'll write one for you.
Can I book you for a return trip?
Sure. Just call me.
Do you charge extra at night?
Yes, percent more after PM.
Is there a discount for students?
Sorry, no discounts.
Do I need to pay extra for luggage?
No, that's included.
Can I share the ride with someone?
If you both agree, yes.
What if I cancel the ride?
There's no cancellation fee.
How do I book you again?
Call my number anytime.
Will you wait for minutes?
Yes, I can wait.
Can I ride with my pet?
Yes, small pets are okay.
Why are you going to the station?
I need to catch a train.
Where are you going?
To meet my friend at the hospital.
Are you visiting the museum?
Yes, I love history.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, in the next building.
Are you late for something?
Yes, I have a meeting.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Are you from here?
No, I moved here yesterday.
Why are you going to the park?
Just to relax.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, just me.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, everything is new to me.
Do you like the city?
Yes, it's very lively.
How long will you stay here?
About a week.
What do you like about this city?
The people are very kind.
Is your hotel far?
No, just around the corner.
Do you travel often?
Yes, for work.
Are you enjoying your visit?
Very much, thank you.
Are you going shopping?
Yes, to the Central Mall.
Do you have any recommendations to visit?
Yes, the City Museum is great.
Do you like driving all day?
Yes, I meet many people.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You are very kind.
Thank you. That's very nice of you.
I appreciate your help.
Happy to help.
I'm nervous about being late.
Don't worry, we'll get there on time.
Are you sure we'll make it?
Yes, I promise.
What if we get stuck in traffic?
I know a better route.
Do you think it'll rain?
Maybe. I'll close the windows if it starts.
Thank you for being helpful.
My pleasure.
Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
Please wait a minute.
Okay, take your time.
Sorry, I'm a bit late.
That's okay. Let's go.
I really enjoyed the ride.
I'm glad to hear that.
You're a good driver.
Thank you.
Can I save your number?
Yes, of course.
Can you drive me tomorrow too?
Sure, just give me a call.
I'll recommend you to my friends.
Thank you very much.
Will you be available at a.m.?
Yes, I'll be there.
That was a comfortable ride.
Thank you. I try my best.
What's your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Can I give you a star rating?
That would be great. Thank you.